Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to review the levels for May 15 and later we will see the levels for May 18. Now let's see how Nifty behaved according to the levels given for May 15. The levels given for May 15 are if we should go long above 9205 and we should go short below 9114. So let's go to the chart and see how Nifty behaved according to these levels. Now this is the 5-minute chart of Nifty 50 Nifty index. So Nifty opened at around 9180 and in the first 5 minutes itself it cut our sell level of 9114. Now we know the rule. If the sell level is cut in the first 5 minutes of Nifty opening, we should not enter the trade. We should wait for the first 15 minutes to complete and we will take a trade if the low of the 15-minute candle is broken downwards. 15-minute candle is formed now. Now we know the low of the 15-minute candle is 9083. Now see here, the low of the 15-minute candle is broken now. We will have to enter the trade now. We enter into the trade. Now what is the next step? We have to put the stop loss. We should not forget to put the stop loss immediately. Now we are in the trade. We will wait for our targets to come or we will see whether our stop loss is getting triggered or not. Unfortunately, our targets did not come today. We have to get out of the trade once the stop loss is triggered. Nifty is very much volatile in the entire week because of this economic package announcement and everything on other news. So that is why we were not able to trade successfully today. So that is fine. That is perfectly fine. But we will have to book our loss and we need to accept that loss. That is why we entered into this trade. Okay, now we will move on. We have accepted the loss and we will wait for the next opportunity to come. So let us see the intraday levels for May 18. So our trade setup is according to the pivot point calculator. So in this sheet I enter the open, low, high and close, and using that levels the trading levels for May 18 will be generated. I will also make a note of the central pivot range levels and accordingly I will come up with the trading levels for the next day. So these are the levels for May 18. We should go long above 9183 with a stop loss of 9134. Targets are 9250 and 9325. We should go short below 9110 with a stop loss of 9140 and the targets are 9068, 8995 and 8935. Now let us see the rules. For every trading setup there has to be some rules and as a trader we need to strictly follow that rules. Okay, and that is very important. So these are the trading rules, when to go for bullish trade and when to go for bearish trade. And there are some rules mentioned under the note section which will help you to enter the trade. If our buy level or sell level comes at the market opening, then what we need to do. So that is clearly mentioned here. Please understand and trade accordingly. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe if the levels help you in your trading career.